So based on the revenue targets, we project our personnel cost to be 421.70 billion, overhead costs at 307.77 billion, and capital costs at 565.93 billion. Now, there are some major highlights which I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Committee to. The first is the personnel costs. We have a nominal roll of 15,669 personnel, and hopefully before the end of the year, we are expecting 3,927 to join us. So the estimated cost for personnel, as stated, will be 421.7 billion.
It's just a day to do what the Constitution of Nigeria asks us to do in Section 88 and 89 of 1999 Constitution of Nigeria as amended, which is to scrutinize your budget proposal. Then our members here already have copies. We will go through it as you lead us first by giving us the executive summary. Then, if there are any questions, we will ask, and once we answer them to our satisfaction, the budget is going to be passed at the committee level. Then the report will go to the plenary for passage.
It says the services approved expenditure budget for the 2025 budget year was 1.132 trillion, of which 81.65 billion or 71.67% was in the actual receipts as the total inflows for the period under review. My question remains, is the controller telling us that the total expenditure made in 2025 is 1.132 trillion, or is he saying that it is 881.65 billion, so that we will be clear on what was expended for 2025?
We have our guests, and we will also give them the opportunity. Because they are still going to say after the prayer.
By the leave of Mr. Speaker.
Okay, sir. Government of the Federation.
From Kano State.
It is mandatory by law.
I represent the good people of Yaba.
Do in the National Assembly and MTAs up to the budget. What is the program? As you are all aware, and MTAs up to the